A state prison in Wise County evacuated.
Now, it started with reports of a carbon monoxide leak in one of the buildings. Our Doug Dunbar's in the newsroom as we've been monitoring this all afternoon. Doug, what's the latest on it?
Yeah, when you hear the words evacuate a prison, that's not something we hear very often. But as you can imagine, it triggers a very sizable response. Safety is at the top of the pyramid for them, of course. First, to figure out what's going on inside with this leak. Second, to make sure the evacuation is safe and orderly, especially since we're talking about inmates. So the quick backstory, I can tell you firefighters were able to isolate the carbon monoxide leak. It happened pretty quick. They found it in the boiler room. This is the Bridgeport unit out in Wise County, just northwest of Fort Worth. The fire department issued the evacuation order for all the inmates and also the prison personnel, but only to the outside yard. So if you didn't know any better, you'd figure they were just out in the yard, not outside of the fence of the prison. Video here shows everybody still inside the security perimeter of that prison initially. But then what happened later, the Texas Department of Criminal Justice, TDCJ, decided to bring buses in, and they have ended up moving the prisoners to some other facilities until the repairs are made at the Bridgeport unit. And as of right now, 4 o'clock, we don't know how long that's going to take. They do have a capacity in the neighborhood of 520 male prisoners, and those prisoners are all minimum to lower security risk offenders.